welcome once again to the Crown Maths class. So now you'll be treating a WAEC question, which is on the board here. It says, evaluate 2 whole number 5/12 plus 3/4, open brackets, 5 whole number 1/6 minus 2 whole number 2/3, then close bracket. So in questions like this, we are going to be applying the principles of BODMAS. So for those of you that might not really understand what we talk what we meant by applying the principle of BODMAS is this is it. You have BODMAS. So this B stands for brackets. So this O stands for off. Why this D stands for division. Then the M stands for multiplication. Then this A stands for addition. Then this S stands for what? Subtraction. So in applying this BODMAS principle, we will be looking at the question. So now this B stands for bracket. So we look for the place that in this question that we have brackets. So that's what we are going to do. The fractions involved, those are we first of all we solve the fraction. We first of all solve the fraction. Then after we solve it, we look for the one that have off, but in this case there is no off here. Then we look for the one that have division. You understand? So but there is no division symbol here. You get that now? So then we now go to the one that have what? Multiplication. So after we solve these ones in brackets, then we multiply this. You get that now? So after we multiply, then we look for the one that have what? Addition. So we have addition sign here. So after that, after we solve all these ones, then we add the result we get to this fraction here. Do you get that now? So without wasting much of our time, let's quickly get started. Now we have 2 whole number 5/12. Because this is mixed fraction, we are going to firstly change this to what? To improper fraction. So how do we do that? This is the denominator. We are going to multiply it to these two. So 12 multiplied by 2 is what? Is 24. Then 24 plus, then we are going to add that 24 to what? To this numerator. So 24 plus 5 will give us what? 29. That is all over what? 12. Then we have plus what? 3/4. Open bracket what? So this one is also a mixed fraction. We change it to improper fraction. So 6 times 5 will give us what? 30 plus 1 will give us 31 over what? Over 6. So we have minus. You get that now? So now this one also is the what? Mixed fraction. We are going to change this to what? Improper fraction. So 3 times 2 will give us what? 6. So 6 plus this 2 will give us what? 8. 8 over what? 3. Close brackets. So now let's continue. So we have 29 over what? 12. Then we have plus 3/4. So some students used to make mistakes. They can just go and add this one to this. So adding this one to this is an error. You understand why? Because you need to follow the principle of BODMAS. Get that now by solving this ones in brackets, multiplying it to this, then what you get, we add it to this. Get that now. That's what you are doing continuously. So now let's quickly resolve this one in the bracket now. So you are now going to look for the what? LCM of 6 and 3. Now you don't have to waste much time in looking for the LCM of 6 and 3. Why? Because 6 can divide what? 3. You get that now. So our LCM will be what? Will be 6. So therefore 6 divided by 6 is what? 1. 1 multiplied by 31 will give us what? 31. Then we have this minus sign here. So 6 divided by 3 will give us what? Will give us 2. You get that now. So 8 times 2 will give us what? 16. Then we have close bracket. Now let's proceed. So we have 29 over what? 12 plus 3 over 4, open bracket, this. So now 31 minus 16 will give us what? 15 over what? 6. Then close bracket. Now we still have our 29 over what? 12. Then plus, you get that now. So don't add this one to this one here, you have to multiply this one to this, according to the principle of our what? BODMAS. Hope you get that now. So now we have 3 over 4. So, but this is what we are going to do. So this bracket here is telling us that this one is multiplying this. So we have times what? Times this one here. But this one, we can still simplify this fraction here. 3 can divide 15, and also 3 can divide what? 6. So 3 divided by 15 will give us what? 5. So 3 divided by 6 also. So this one, 3 divided by this one will give us what? 5. 3 divided by 6 will give us what? That's 2. You get that now? So we have 5 over what? Over 2 here. Do you get that now? So you open close bracket here like this, because we are multiplying these two together now. So we have 29 over what? 12. You get that now? So we now have plus. Now this is 3 over 4. So you are going to multiply direct. You get that now? So 3 times 5 will give us what? 15 over what? Over 4 times 2 will give us what? 8. You get that now? So now you quickly, this is what you quickly do now, because we are about to add these two together now. You get that now? So you quickly look for the what? The LCM of 12 and 8. Now what's the LCM of 12 and 8? So if you quickly look for it, you look for it quickly, you get what? 24. So the LCM of 12 and 8 is what? Is 24. But if you don't know how I get 24, you can drop a question in the what? You can drop a question in the comment section below, so I will attend to you. You understand? So I will let you know. I will explain that now. But I hope you should understand that. So now 24 divided by 12 will give us what? Will give us 2. So 2 times 29 will give us what? That's 54. Sorry, 58. That's 58 plus. Now 24 divided by 8 will give us what? 3. 3 times 15 will give us what? 45. You get that now? So therefore, is equals to what? This one is equals to what? So we have 58 plus 45 will give us what? 103 over what? 24. You get that now? So this is our answer, but we can also take it to what? To mixed fraction, because leaving it as a proper fraction is not proper like that. So now we quickly, how many times can 12 goes in, what is it called? 103. So you quickly do that. You see you get is 4. That is 4 number. So you can find 24 in 103, 4 times, 4 times. Then remainder 7, which is 7 all over what? 24. So this is our final answer. So I know you like my solutions. I will implore you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also share the link all over. You understand? And also join me on my social media handles. So thank you. This is Don Crown Math Class. Thanks.